SolarEdge inverters paired with optimizers during a grid fault or manual initiation of rapid shutdown or during a fault brings the voltage down to touch safe levels, as opposed to string inverters, which always, even after initiation of rapid shutdown, keep the voltage at 1000 volts. On university campuses such as this, you have 1000 volts DC with string inverters running 10 feet above your head, where the faculty, students park. This is where safety becomes all the more important. Rapid shutdown isn't just a code thing. It instills a sense of confidence in the first responders and the people under and around carports that they're going to be safe as they work around the structure. Carports aren't treated the same way as rooftops from an insurance perspective and from a permitting perspective. The risk mitigation teams, first responders, the permitting authorities, they're all going to ask the same thing from a safety perspective. With SolarEdge inverters and optimizers, you know you're going to have that level of confidence where you're going to be able to deliver on those safety requirements.